Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to castle in chess.com. If you want to learn how to castle, which is one of the more unique moves in the game, it's pretty much switching your bishop and your king. So to do this, you have to have your bishop and king not move at all in the game. So as you can see here, this is an existing game. This is in the analysis section where you can just play and train by yourself before you start playing with other players in chess.com. Now, as you can see here, we have our rook here on the left-hand side, and we have our king. So what we want to do is just do this, right? There we go. And as you can see, it has castled, right? My king and my bishop has castled because, again, they haven't moved a bit, and now my king is more protected than it was before. And now it's going to be my other, the black player turn, white, and as you can see, I'm still there, right? So that's how you castle in chess.com. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.